Tesla Giga Berlin gets its power back. The power supply for Tesla Giga Berlin-Brandenburg has been restored. The restoration of the Group N Haida-based Model Y factory's power came about a week after a suspected arson attack at a power pylon. The attack was claimed by the Vulcan Group, an anti-Tesla entity. The alleged arson did not just take out Giga Berlin's power. It also caused power outages in thousands of households across several districts. Due to the attack, some facilities in the Freienbrink industrial area were forced to stop their operations. Hospitals and medical operations in the area were also adversely affected. But while the attack did stop Giga Berlin, it would appear that the repairs were completed faster than initial estimates from both Tesla and the local grid operator, EDIS. In a comment to BZ, EDIS noted that the power to Giga Berlin was restored Monday evening. The supply has since been restored, the energy supplier noted. Tesla reportedly confirmed Giga Berlin's power shortly after 9 p.m. on Monday. The first lights are on. The power supply has been restored. We are now checking and then slowly switching on, the electric vehicle maker reportedly noted. Tesla Giga Berlin-Brandenburg Manufacturing Senior Director André Thierig shared the milestone on LinkedIn. As per the executive, Tesla is now working hard to resume the facility's operations. And while it may take some time before Giga Berlin-Brandenburg is fully back to business, the facility has taken a big step forward by getting its power back. The power supply to the Gigafactory has been restored for a few minutes now. The measures to restart production are now running at full speed under all safety precautions. It will certainly take some time before we have fully resumed production, but the most important step has been taken. Power on. Many thanks to EDIS for the quick restart and to all those involved and especially our employees for their support over the last few days, Thierig wrote in a LinkedIn post. EDIS Managing Director Alexander Montabaur celebrated the power restoration in a LinkedIn post. After a weekend of intensive work around the clock and numerous crucial repairs, on what is now probably Germany's best-known construction site, extensive high-voltage measurements lasting several hours took place today in Steinfurt near Freienbrink. Certified test engineers spent a total of 4 hours testing the interaction of all high-voltage components on the construction site near Steinfurt. In a very complex procedure under high voltage and thus under real conditions. The key feature of the test procedure is the generation of a voltage level directly on the construction site, and at a level that exceeds the actual operating voltage of 110,000 volts. The necessary voltage was generated by a so-called resonance generator, which was delivered to the construction site by articulated lorry. To the great delight of the EDIS grid experts, who had been working flat out for almost a week, the test engineers gave the green light. And that means Tesla and ADECA's GVZ are supplied again. A milestone on the way to complete repair of the damaged 110 kV pylon, Montabaur wrote. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.